Alright, so this latch busted off here a little while ago. And finally it's got the one in, but you can't get the whole latch assembly. I just need this plastic part. So the goal is to maybe take this part up. So this is like that, but I don't have the stuff off there. Maybe it's easier just to take off this. I think I'm counting off. Maybe I can get inside. Nope, not get inside. That's not happening from the inside there. So first, just take off that E-clip there, and we'll just maybe so we can put it on. Take this bolt out and the spring out, since I don't know if I really need the spring. And oh, it's too big. Maybe instead of, ow! I stabbed myself to pick. Trying to get this E-clip out. Now I'm bleeding again for the day. My wife already gave me a hard time about bleeding because I'm trying to avoid not losing this E-clip. Huzzah! Alright. Alright. Come on, E-clip. Oh, I got it. I got an E-clip in there somewhere. Goddamn magic show? Where's the E-clip go? Did I drop it? Huh. Okay. Odd. Awkward. Alright, pull it out. There's clips on top, so I'm trying to clip up there. So, slide that in there. Here. Ah! Almost in the fire hole. I stuffed it. Okay. That's there. Cotter pin's important. And clip. Ha! Well, that was easy. Now got all this extra assembly stuff I don't need anymore. Oh, there we go. And there's an E-clip somewhere on the ground. But, okay. Cool. Easy enough.